How to use iPhone Wi-Fi automation to save battery and data. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use iPhone Wi-Fi automation to save battery and data. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the application of shortcuts and then you're going to click on automation here at the bottom. So what our goal is that, let's say when you connect to a Wi-Fi, you want the automation to run such that your data gets disconnected. That will save your data from draining and as well as your battery. So to set that automation, you're going to click on this plus at the top right corner, scroll down and click on Wi-Fi. Here, you're going to select is joined and click on choose at the top. Here, you're going to select the Wi-Fi network that you connect to often. So let's say I'm going to click on this one over here and press this tick icon at the top right. And here, you're going to toggle this button on that says run after connection interruption. And you don't want it to run after confirmation. You want it to run immediately. So you're going to check this one and click on next at the top right corner. Now we have set the trigger. Now we need to set what will happen after this happens. So here you're going to click on this search and search for data. Here you can either click on set mobile data or you'll be able to see cellular data. That will depend on your phone's version. So simply click on that and now it says turn mobile data on, but we don't need it to be on. We want it to be off. So you can simply click on and it will immediately turn off. Then you're going to click on this tick icon at the top right corner. And now you can see the new automation has been set that when iPhone joins this Wi-Fi, it will set the mobile data to off. Now, what will happen if you disconnect from that Wi-Fi? So in order to set a vice versa automation, you're going to click on this plus icon at the top right corner again, scroll down, click on Wi-Fi. And here you're going to choose that same network that you chose there. So once you have selected that network, press tick. And now this time, instead of is joined, you're going to select is disconnected. And then you're going to select run immediately, click on next at the top right corner, and then search for data again over here. Click on set mobile data, and then you're going to leave turn mobile data on. So then when you disconnect from that specific Wi-Fi, your mobile data should turn on. Press this tick icon at the top right corner, and now you can see that you have successfully added the automation to save battery and data. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.